Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be installing a glasses case holder in the Sorento. If you're like me, you were a little bummed out to realize that cars have stopped coming with a glasses case holder right there above the rear view mirror. Why they've stopped doing that, I don't know. The Stinger didn't have one, and now this Sorento doesn't have one. But luckily, some companies have started making these little conversion kits for that handle that's above your head up there where the door closes. You can turn that into a sunglasses case holder. So let's go ahead and get the handle off of there and then get this case on there. Alrighty, and to take the handle off, you've just got to open up these little ports where the Phillips head screws are. To do that, they give you a little screwdriver that's bent to be able to pop those caps open. And then they give you the other screwdriver here to be able to get these screws out. So let's go ahead and get those out, and then we'll get them on the case. Now that we got those out, we should be able to just put them through the feet. Go ahead and start screwing that back into place. Now, obviously, if you need this handle, if you have mobility issues, or you need to pull yourself kind of into the car, or you just like having that handle there, then I wouldn't suggest doing this. There's other ways of mounting your glasses, but since I rarely use the handle, I figured it wasn't really that necessary for me. Oh, this foot right here is also spring loaded, so it will retract like those glasses cases usually do. That's what's gonna make this part just a little bit more difficult. I'm gonna get it situated into the hole first. There we go. Hold that up in there. Ooh, switch fingers real quick. There we go. Up in there. All right. And then they gave us some little caps that we can use to cover up the screw holes. Oops, I think they go the opposite way. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. And then same thing on the other side. Just kind of pop right into place, and then you should be able to take a pair of sunglasses, put them in there. There we go. Just like that, you can convert that handle into a nice little glasses case holder. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or about the glasses case holder, let me know in the comments down below. I'll also be leaving a link in the description for it down below if you wanted to pick one up for your car. They actually do have a couple of different models for different cars, so if your car didn't come with a sunglasses holder like the Kias don't now, and I think some of the Hyundais don't either because they're built on a lot of the same platforms, then you may want to go ahead and add one of these to your car. So again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. I hope to see you in my next one.